Disney just showed off a lot of the merchandise for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which is opening June 28th, and they said most of this stuff will be available on that date. Look at this firefly. Look at it. This is an interactive firefly you can wear on your shoulder, and then it comes with this jar that lights up. It'll be $32. I'm going to have to get this. Look how beautiful this is. Let's go through all this stuff. See, you can wear it on your shoulder, and then it lights up as other ones pass by you, which is really cool. And you can see here's a sweater. We know a shortcut, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I can't wait to wear that firefly. Oh, that's going to be great. The Spirit jersey. It's a joyful celebration. And then you have this headband. I think this is already available. The Mickey ears. Look at that. I probably will get this Spirit jersey. Look at the detail on the elbow with the little guitar and the flowers, the fireflies, the music notes, the colors. I love everything about it. The log right there. Here's the Loungefly. Loungefly is very nice. That is nice. That's going to be really good. I'm so excited about the merchandise and the food. Look at this. This detailed statue with the little critters on the bottom. You got Tiana. It lights up with the lamp. Naveen. And then the little frog on top. Tiana's foods. Look at the background they picked for this. I love the vibe. Look at this pillow. This is, you know what? This is stuff that I see in like Tokyo Disney-esque level of merchandise, which I love all their stuff, you know? And the colors and the details and the type of stuff they have. I love this. Look at this pillow. This velvety pillow with Tiana. Oh, this thing right here. Look at this pouch. This is a waterproof pouch. They touted online about how don't forget your waterproof pouch. And I don't think I'm going to forget that. The image quality isn't that high with the details, but you get the idea. Here's another shirt, a shortcut to the Bayou. Here's an adult shirt, shortcut to the Bayou, with something on the sleeve that says, I think, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. This hat is a thing too, with fireflies. They got a lot of firefly theme stuff. Like, look at this kid's dress. You got Tiana there, all the fireflies. Then you got a plush there. And here is the Tiana doll they're going to sell. Okay, here's some of the food. Mardi Gras, the snacks. Mardi Gras Melody Popcorn, which all this stuff, by the way, is probably going to be snack credit eligible on the Disney dining plan. Bananas Foster's Milk Chocolate. I love the wrapping and the colors on it too. You got a green apple lollipop. And what is this? Crazy Crunch Cajun. Peanuts, butter, toffee, peanuts, corn sticks, honey roasted sesame sticks, almonds. Very nice indeed. This is a tin can they're gonna sell, like in the movie, that you could store stuff in. Another look at the lollipops. Some seasoning, gumbo base, seafood seasoning, meat seasoning. Oh, here's the cup. Tiana's Foods. What does it say? Bringing folks together. That's nice. Nice color. Here's some Mama Odie's hot sauce. Roasted pepper. And here's some other ears with the Tiana's tiara. Very nice. Oh, and this is a Critter Co-op. It's not going to open June 28th, but soon after. And it looks beautiful inside. Wait a second, I noticed some stuff. Oh, here's the front of the Spirit jersey. It just says Tiana's Bayou Adventure. What is this? Is that the firefly? Or is that like a little lantern? I can't tell. And then they have a beautiful frame. You know, I was trying to get the Splash Mountain frame before everybody went crazy and bought it all, and they never brought it back. But anyways, this frame, just from the low quality image, the colors and what I'm thinking I see, it looks really cool. I would like to get that. I'm seeing some hats back there. I love all the colors. I love these colors they picked on the vibe. The Spirit jersey, you got the dress. What else? Yeah, I'm loving all this stuff. What is that? Oh, there's a photo of Tiana with some bears. There's probably some like throwback to Splash Mountain there. Here's another photo. Let's see. The Bayou Bobcats. And I see the kids dressed there. There's another, some toys. The plush. Those are the seasonings. Bayou Community Bar. Not a real bar, but great theming. So yeah, I'm excited about this stuff. I gotta save up some money for this. This is all a Magic Kingdom that they're showing, but they're gonna bring it to Disneyland too later. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.